But yeah, I'll be repainting the valve cover. I'll probably be taking off, you know, little accent pieces that holds this whole thing together, repainting that, freshen it up, making it shiny again. All done. Got it a little greasy, so it's a little bit dirty, but turned out all right. Not too bad. Looks a lot better than a whole bunch of chipping paint. So I'm gonna try to salvage these fenders. They're pretty beat up. It looks like somebody tried to salvage them before. This fender and also the passenger fender is also beat up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them off the car, hit them with some heat, and take out a hammer and start beating on them and hopefully regain some body line and put filler where I need to put it. And I'll probably have to do the same thing for the hood, but I'm gonna see how these fenders turn out before I do the hood. Well, I finished beating some dents out of the fender. This used to have like 2 huge dents. I mean, it's a little ripply right now, but it looks a lot better than it did before. This fender was a pain in the butt. Somebody tried doing what I just did, and they probably beat it up way worse than it was. It looks like I'm just gonna have to sand this all smooth, throw some body filler on it, kind of make a new line right here. I couldn't bend this back out. I might take it off again and redo it, but it still looks a lot better than it was. I mean, it didn't even have a body line right here, and now it does. Popped the hood off and took some dents out. Still a low spot right there. Probably just hit that with filler. A couple high spots. You can still see them pretty bad on camera, but it looks a lot better in person. It was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.